Hey, Jay here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to connect the 22 IDEX 3D printer to your local Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is to power on your 22 IDEX, which I already did. Turn that on, and then you would go down to your Wi-Fi section and then locate the 22 IDEX, okay, which I have here. Click on that and then connect to it. Once connect, open the web browser and type in 22 IDEX.local. Enter. All right, so now that we're there, we're gonna go here under System, Settings, Network, and connect to a new Wi-Fi network. Okay, it's gonna ask for your SSID. Go ahead and put them in. It is case sensitive. Okay, put that in. Okay. Restart notification, machine will restart, press OK, and now we're going to wait for the status light. Right now it's white, you want it green. If it turns red, that means you didn't put in the correct information. Okay, status light turned green there. We're going to go down here to the Wi-Fi section again, look for the 22 IDEX, connect back to it one more time, and here it's going to spit out a IP address. So there they are. Okay, go ahead and write that down, click OK. And then put that onto your web browser. And then go ahead and connect back to your main Wi-Fi network, the same Wi-Fi that you had the machine hooked up onto. Okay, and that's how you connect your 22 IDEX to your local Wi-Fi network. Next, I'll be showing you guys how to connect the 3D printer to your network via Ethernet.